The Ionia R. Whipper Home Incorporated facilities provide comprehensive residential programs for abused, abandoned, and neglected girls between the ages of 12 and 21 years of age. The history, tradition, and overall mission of the home go back 75 years to its visionary founder, Ionia Rollin Whipper. In 75 years of service, the Ionia R. Whipper Home has provided exemplary service and needed care to abused, abandoned, and neglected girls in Washington.
I was initially impressed with the way in which they welcomed this child during the very first interview, an effort to make her feel comfortable, to assure her of the support and attention that she would get while she was there. And then as she moved through the program and she herself came to love the services there and the people there, she just did extremely well in attending school at their encouragement, dealing with several of her own personal issues because she had the support of the staff at the Whipper Home.